again the next day and try again. You understand? Be like those persons who are out there who are determined to get that $1. You know, be like those persons out there who are determined to get that last meal. Be like those persons out there who are determined to get a $5 to send their kids to school. They just need a drink. They just need a plate of food. And while we might have some in abundance and the 1 or 2 days that we don't have enough, we feel as though life is at a standstill or life is about to end for us. No, you know, just think about other persons who are living outdoors, who are homeless, who can't send their kids to school, you know, and just realize that you are blessed. All right, just realize that you're blessed. And while you are blessed, even though in the time when you are going through your struggles, you know, sometimes even though you might not see the light at the end of the tunnel, just find a way to kind of bless others. Because as I say,